Who says girls can't fix cars? Today I'll show you how to do a full rebuild on a 600 cubic centimeter machine. And before taking it apart, let me first let you hear the sound of the worn bearings. Did you hear that? Remember this sound and start guessing. Wow, do you see that it's really dirty? This 600 cubic centimeter engine also has quite a lot of carbon buildup, and this piston too. The timing chain is too loose, but luckily the owner carefully added a guide plate. Open the lid and win a prize. See that the bearings are already worn out. Let's take a look at the small bowl next. The second rod has a very noticeable scratch. The third rod is also worn out normally. You can see the bearing cap here is barely worn while both sides are heavily worn down. Let's continue disassembling and take a look. All 4 pistons have been disassembled and they all show normal wear. Next, we will take apart the cylinder head, clean the internal passages, and then measure everything before moving forward. All the valves have been removed, and as you can see, there is a heavy buildup of carbon here, so we will clean it thoroughly using ultrasonic cleaning. The components have now been fully cleaned, and for the crankshaft, I have measured the oil clearance. It has already exceeded the usable limit by 0.05 of a millimeter, so I replaced it with a new crankshaft. Next, we will start the reassembly process. The oil pump chain is just right. The engine has now been fully assembled. Next, we add engine oil, test the oil circulation system, and then it can be installed back into the bike. Let's test its steel pressure first. Exactly 10. Okay, the engine oil has arrived and the cap has been reached. Then change him into 4 new sparkler. Okay, finally, it's done. Let you hear the sound of the finished startup. The coolant temperature has now come up. Let you hear the engine sound. Did Did you hear that there is finally no more rattling ticking sound? Now it's all smooth again. We'll send it off and see you in the next episode.